Ella. Ella. Little cute kid. Ella. I just love this when he does this. It looks like, oh, I don't, it's like it's adorable. It hurts, but who cares? I mean, she loves me. I love her too. She's a cute little one, isn't she? Ella. Ella. Yeah, this probably this ain't my cat. This is my dad. My dad's. Her sister's somewhere around. Oh, there's your sister. But Ella here, she's just the cutest one here. And for hey guys, here, welcome here. And today I'm just showing off a little video on my dad's cat Ella. See, she just loves me. Or some from her fur, but who cares? She loves me. Just too cute. Oh, Ella. There she goes. There she goes again. Just too cute. Ella. She's a cute little fur ball. I love her. Seriously, Ella. It's cute, but it tickles at the same time. I love her. Yeah, I love you too, Ella. I love you too. Ella. She's too kitty. Girl. Okay, seriously, what is up with her? I love you. I love you so much, Ella. This kitty is just adorable. I love you, Ella. Thank you all for watching this little video I wanted to do. Just wanted to show you guys Ella. If you want a video on her sister, let me know. Bye bye, guys.